Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to iron a long-sleeve shirt effectively. First, gather your essential tools: an ironing board, a clean iron, and a spray bottle with water. Always check your shirt's care label for the recommended temperature setting to avoid damage. Fill your iron with distilled water for optimal steam, then lay your shirt flat on the board, ready to begin. Let's start with the collar, as it's often the most visible part. Iron from the outer edges towards the center, smoothing out any creases on both sides for a perfectly crisp look. Next, move to the cuffs. Unbutton them and lay them flat, ironing both the inside and outside surfaces. Pay careful attention to the seams and any pleats to ensure a polished finish. Now let's tackle the sleeves. Lay one sleeve flat, carefully aligning the seams to create a sharp, clean crease. Iron from the shoulder down to the cuff, being mindful to avoid ironing directly over any buttons. Repeat this exact process for the second sleeve, ensuring both look equally neat. Finally, iron the shirt's yoke, which is the upper back section, smoothing it out thoroughly. For the main body, drape the shirt over the narrow end of your ironing board. Work in manageable sections, rotating the shirt as you go to ensure every part is smooth. Pay special attention to the front placket and carefully iron around any buttons. Once complete, immediately hang your freshly ironed shirt on a hanger to prevent new wrinkles from forming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.